Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English Class 10. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus and the exam structure. Knowing what to expect helps you prioritize. Next, dedicate time to improving your reading comprehension and expanding your vocabulary. These are foundational skills. Finally, consistent practice in various writing formats like essays and letters will significantly boost your scores. Let's dive into the specifics. To master reading comprehension, make daily reading a habit. This could be anything from news articles to short stories, aiming for at least 20 minutes. While reading, actively try to identify the main ideas and supporting details in each paragraph. This critical thinking improves understanding. Also, commit to learning 5 to 10 new vocabulary words every week. Use them in sentences to solidify your grasp. Improving your writing requires consistent effort. Regularly practice different writing formats, such as essays, formal letters, and notices, to become proficient. Pay close attention to grammar rules, correct punctuation, and constructing clear, concise sentences. A strong command of these basics is crucial. Additionally, reviewing sample answers from textbooks or previous exams can provide valuable insight into the expected quality and structure of responses. For exam day success, effective time management is key. Allocate specific amounts of time to each section and stick to it. Thoroughly revise all topics, paying special attention to areas where you feel less confident. Practicing previous year's question papers under timed conditions is also incredibly beneficial. And for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.